Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our last paycheck in January and going over our first paycheck in February. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and see how we did for the end of January. For our paycheck from January the 24th through January the 30th, in our expense category, we budgeted $425 for our phone bill, $200 for Best Buy, $175 for Chase, $400 rollover for our first paycheck in February, and a $100 rollover. That came up to $1,300. In our actual category, we paid $425 on our phone bill, $300 on Best Buy to pay them off, and that was an overage of $100, $175 to Chase, $400 to roll over to our first paycheck in February, and $100 in rollover. That came up to $1,400, which was an overage of $100. We budgeted $540 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $100 for backup, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,455. In our actual category, we spent $360 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $180, $675 in our sinking funds, $100 in our savings challenges, $100 in backup, and $40 in our extra backup money. That came up to $1,275, which was a savings of $180. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861, minus the expenses of $1,300, minus the cash envelopes of $540, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the backup funds of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $106. In our actual category, our income was $2,861, minus the expenses of $1,400, which was an overage of $100, minus the cash envelopes of $360, which was a savings of $180, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $100, and minus the extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $186, which was a total savings of $80. In our budget from January 31st to February the 6th, in our expense category, we put our mortgage and our utilities together because I didn't have enough room. So our mortgage and our utilities came up to $1,250. And I think it's going to be more than that because I did see my utility bill, but we'll come around to that on our actual category. Homeowner's warranty for $143, life insurance for $116, gym fee for $48, my Google LLC for $15, Canva Pro $13, Kindle Unlimited $13, HP Inc. $8, and Google Storage $2. That came up to a total of $1,608. We budgeted $490 in our cash envelopes, $375 in our sinking funds, $50 in our savings challenges, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $935. We're estimating our income to be $1,950 plus $650 rollover, which comes to a total of $2,600 in our total income, minus the expenses of $1,608, minus cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $375, minus the savings challenges of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $57. So, fam, as you can tell, we did go over in one of our budgets, and that was because I wanted to get the Best Buy card paid off in January. Also, we saved quite a bit in our cash envelopes, and that's because we went grocery shopping, and we did a good amount of grocery shopping. However, I did not pay for it. So that saved us money there. So we didn't have to spend groceries. Now, I did go back and get a few of the little necessary items like canned goods and seasonings and vegetables, things like that. But that is where we ended up in the month of January, and now we are starting in February. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.